Implementing fleet management is where the rubber meets the road. And if it's done well, it has wide acceptance. The key to it is communication and change management. So teaching the drivers and your staff why you're doing it. Second, it's having full support of your finance team and your leadership team, because some employees or drivers will complain. It's bound to happen. And when they do, you need a unified front where people say, this is what we're doing and why we're doing it, so please comport. We entered into a fleet management relationship because it's best for this company, so please comport. Effectively, implementation is having the drivers understand why you're implementing fleet management, communicating it to them, and having them understand how it impacts them. It's really that simple. So communicating to them how it changes the process for them to get maintenance, how it changes the process for them to get fuel, that we're watching potentially the behavior of them and their vehicle, aggressive driving behaviors, idling, heavy braking, hard acceleration, any of those factors. That is a common metric today. It will be almost a required metric in the future for fleets. The same way that very few companies today use forward and driver-facing cameras. But in the future, it will be nearly standard equipment. Because when there's an accident, you want to see what happened with the other vehicles in front of you, and you want to see what your driver was doing or not doing at the time. So implementation communicates all of these things, tells the drivers what we're doing, why, and effectively makes the process of change easier for all, because it reduces the barriers, which is uncertainty, frustration, and feeling like things were changed for no reason. And it gives purpose to it. So that's the key to implementing a good fleet management plan. You can get leadership and finance support, but without communication and change management and actual implementation of this program, you lose the staff. And the program is problematic.